Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel, where we offer useful spiritual insights to help you navigate your twin flame journey. The concept of twin flames stirs a unique resonance in the hearts of those on the spiritual path. There is an indescribable yearning for something or someone beyond what can be explained by ordinary relationships. It's not just about love or partnership, it's about finding the other half of your soul. Your twin flame, the one who mirrors your essence, reflects your deepest truths, and challenges you to rise into your highest self, is the ultimate companion in this journey of awakening. But for many, the journey to meeting their twin flame feels like an endless struggle, marked by confusion, frustration, and self-doubt. If you've been yearning for your twin flame, you might wonder why this extraordinary meeting hasn't yet happened. You may feel that you've done everything you can, meditated, healed, rid, and prayed, yet the connection remains elusive. What if I told you that the reason you haven't met your twin flame comes down to one critical factor? This one thing isn't about external circumstances, timing, or even the actions of your twin flame. The answer lies within you, and more specifically in the energy you carry. Let me explain. The greatest obstacle standing between you and your twin flame is energetic resistance. This resistance isn't always obvious, and often it works beneath the surface, shaping your experiences without you realizing it. Energetic resistance blocks the natural flow of your soul's journey and keeps you from aligning with your highest vibration, the vibration where twin flame unions naturally occur. In this narration, I'll guide you through understanding what energetic resistance is, how it manifests in your life, and, most importantly, how you can dissolve it to open the doors to your twin flame connection. To understand what's stopping you from meeting your twin flame, we must first grasp the nature of energetic resistance. At its core, energetic resistance is any thought, belief, emotion, or behavior that is misaligned with the frequency of love, wholeness, and authenticity. Twin flames vibrate at the highest frequency of unconditional love, and any resistance within your energy field creates a disconnect between you and this vibration. Energetic resistance isn't something that most people consciously create. Instead, it arises from deep-seated fears, wounds, and patterns that are often buried in the subconscious mind. For example, if you hold an unconscious belief that you're unworthy of true love, that belief creates a frequency of lack and insecurity. The universe, which mirrors your energy, responds by delaying or diverting the twin flame connection because your energy isn't aligned with receiving such a profound relationship. Other forms of resistance may include fear of vulnerability, attachment to past relationships, or even impatience. While you may feel desperate to meet your twin flame, that desperation itself creates resistance because it stems from a lack-based energy rather than one of trust and surrender. This resistance is not a punishment or a flaw. It's simply a reflection of the areas within yourself that need healing and alignment. The good news is that energetic resistance is not permanent. It can be released and transformed through awareness and conscious action. When you clear this resistance, you naturally align with your twin flame's vibration, allowing the connection to unfold in divine timing. Energetic resistance doesn't always show up as an obvious barrier. Often it hides in the subtle patterns of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. One of the most common ways resistance manifests is through fear. Fear of being hurt, fear of rejection, or even fear of the intensity of a twin flame connection. Remember, a twin flame union isn't a typical relationship. It requires profound emotional openness and a willingness to face your deepest shadows. If part of you is afraid of that level of vulnerability, your energy will unconsciously push the connection away. Another way resistance shows up is through attachment to the past. If you're holding on to old wounds from previous relationships or unresolved emotions from childhood, those energies create blocks in your heart chakra. For instance, if you're still carrying resentment toward an ex-partner, that anger creates a barrier to receiving the unconditional love that a twin flame embodies. Similarly, if you've been deeply hurt in the past, you may build emotional walls to protect yourself, walls that also block the flow of love and connection. Resistance can also take the form of impatience or forcing the process. Many people on the twin flame journey become so focused on the outcome, meeting their twin flame, that they neglect the inner work required to prepare for the connection. This creates a push-pull dynamic in your energy, where you're simultaneously longing for your twin flame while resisting the growth needed to align with them. Finally, resistance often arises from a lack of self-love. The twin flame journey is, at its core, a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance. If you're not fully aligned with your authentic self, embracing your flaws, loving your strengths, and honoring your path, you may struggle to attract your twin flame. After all, a twin flame is a mirror of your soul. If you're not in harmony with yourself, that disharmony will be reflected in your external reality. Now that we've uncovered the ways energetic resistance manifests, the next step is learning how to dissolve it. Resistance isn't something that can simply be willed away. It's the result of deeply ingrained patterns, beliefs, and wounds that take time, care, and intentional effort to transform. This process requires patience, self-awareness, and a commitment to inner growth. It's not just about clearing the path for your twin flame, but about coming into full alignment with your truest, most radiant self. Let's explore some of the key steps to release resistance and align with your twin flame's frequency. 1. Heal your emotional wounds. Emotional wounds act like invisible chains that keep you tethered to the past, making it difficult for you to fully open to love and connection. These wounds might stem from childhood experiences, past relationships, or unresolved grief and trauma. While these emotions are valid, clinging to them creates resistance, keeping you from moving forward. Healing these wounds is the first step to dissolving resistance and preparing yourself for the depth of a twin flame union. Start by bringing awareness to the emotions you've been avoiding. Perhaps there's a fear of abandonment rooted in a past relationship or a deep sense of unworthiness that prevents you from believing you deserve a connection as profound as a twin flame relationship. Don't shy away from these feelings. Instead, allow yourself to sit with them. Journaling is an excellent way to explore these emotions. Write without judgment, letting your pen uncover the layers of hurt that may be hidden beneath the surface. Another powerful tool is meditation. Guided meditations focused on inner child healing or heart chakra clearing can help you access and process deep-seated emotions. Therapy or energy healing modalities, such as Reiki, can also provide additional support in addressing emotional blockages. The key is to approach your healing journey with compassion. Rather than seeing your wounds as flaws, view them as opportunities for growth and transformation. As you release these emotions, you'll notice a lightness in your energy field, a feeling of spaciousness that allows love to flow more freely. Remember, healing doesn't mean erasing the past. It means reclaiming your power and transforming pain into wisdom. 2. Cultivate self-love and authenticity. The twin flame connection is deeply rooted in authenticity. Twin flames are two halves of the same soul, mirroring each other's strengths, vulnerabilities, and truths. To align with your twin flame, you must first align with your authentic self, the version of you that exists beyond masks, fears, and societal expectations. Start by reconnecting with your inner self. Ask yourself, who am I when no one is watching? What lights up my soul? What parts of myself have I hidden or rejected because I feared they wouldn't be accepted? The process of rediscovering your true self can be both liberating and confronting. You may uncover dreams you've neglected, passions you've suppressed, or aspects of your personality that you've been told are too much or not enough. Self-love is about honoring these truths and giving yourself self-permission to be exactly who you are. This doesn't mean indulging in superficial acts of self-care like spa days or retail therapy, though these can have their place. True self-love is a daily practice of choosing yourself, forgiving yourself, and nurturing yourself emotionally, physically, and spiritually. A helpful practice is to create a self-love manifesto. Write down affirmations that resonate with your journey, such as, I am worthy of unconditional love, I honor my truth, and I embrace every part of myself, both light and shadow. Repeat these affirmations daily to reinforce your connection to your authentic self. Authenticity also means aligning your actions with your values. If you crave a deep, soulful connection with your twin flame, ask yourself, are my current relationships and choices reflecting that desire? When you live in alignment with your soul's purpose, you naturally attract relationships that mirror your authenticity. including your twin flame. 3. Practice trust and surrender. Trust and surrender are often the most challenging aspects of the twin flame journey. Many people hold tightly to the belief that they must actively search for their twin flame or control the timing and circumstances of their meeting. This need for control stems from fear of the unknown, fear of being alone, or fear that the connection may never materialize. However, this very resistance to the flow of life can block the union you desire. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing attachment to specific outcomes and trusting in the divine plan of your soul's journey. The universe operates on a timeline that often defies human understanding, but it is always working in your favor. Every delay, every challenge, every detour is preparing you for the depth of the twin flame connection. To practice surrender, start by shifting your focus inward. Instead of fixating on when or how you'll meet your twin flame, ask yourself, how can I align with my highest self today? What lessons is this moment teaching me? When you anchor yourself in the present, you allow the future to unfold naturally. Engage in rituals that cultivate trust, such as writing a letter to the universe or creating a vision board that represents the love and connection you seek. Let go of the need to micromanage your journey and allow the universe to surprise you. Trust is a vibration of openness and faith, and the more you embody it, the more magnetic you become to your twin flame. 4. Raise your vibration. The twin flame connection operates at the frequency of unconditional love. This is a high vibrational state where fear, doubt, and insecurity have no place. Raising your vibration isn't just about thinking positively. It's about embodying love, joy, and gratitude in your daily life. One way to raise your vibration is through mindfulness. Spend time each day tuning into your thoughts and emotions. Are they aligned with love and abundance, or are they rooted in fear and lack? When you notice a negative thought, don't judge yourself. Instead, gently redirect your focus to a more empowering perspective. For example, replace "I'll never meet my twin flame" with "I am on the perfect path to my twin flame union." Gratitude is another powerful practice for raising your vibration. Each morning or evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. These can be simple, like the warmth of the sun on your face or a kind word from a friend. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's abundant in your life, creating a vibration of love that attracts more love. Finally, surround yourself with high vibrational energy. This could mean spending time in nature, listening to uplifting music, engaging in creative activities, or connecting with supportive, positive people. Pay attention to the energy you consume, whether it's the media you watch, the conversations you engage in, or the environments you spend time in. The more you immerse yourself in high vibrational energy, the more aligned you'll become with the frequency of your twin flame. By healing your emotional wounds, embracing your authenticity, practicing trust, and raising your vibration, you dissolve the resistance that separates you from your twin flame. Remember, this journey isn't about fixing yourself or rushing to a destination. It's about becoming the most aligned, vibrant version of yourself. As you release resistance, you'll find that the love you've been seeking has been within you all along, waiting to shine through. Meeting your twin flame is often seen as the ultimate destination, a pinnacle of spiritual love and connection. Yet, the true essence of the twin flame journey lies not in the arrival, but in the becoming. It's not simply about finding your counterpart, it's about the alchemical process that unfolds within you, the transformation of pain into power, fear into faith, and longing into love. This journey asks you to dive deeply into your soul, uncovering its infinite capacity for growth, healing, and awakening. And in doing so, you become the truest, most radiant version of yourself. Every step you take on this path reshapes your inner world. The moments of solitude, the struggles, and the breakthroughs are all sacred threads weaving the tapestry of your spiritual evolution. These experiences prepare you not only to meet your twin flame, but to sustain and nurture the extraordinary connection that comes with it. For this reason, the twin flame journey is less about the external union and more about the inner transformation that allows you to love and be loved on a soul-deep level. As you continue walking this path, know that there is no one-size-fits-all roadmap. Your journey is as unique as the soul that embarked upon it. Honor its rhythm, its timing, and its wisdom. There may be detours and pauses, moments when you feel lost or impatient. These are not signs of failure, but invitations to trust more deeply in the unfolding of your divine plan. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, knows exactly when and how to orchestrate your twin flame union. Every delay, every twist, every turn is preparing you for the intensity and beauty of this connection. It's also important to recognize that your twin flame is not your completion. They are your mirror. They reflect the love, strength, and wholeness that already exist within you. Their presence in your life will amplify these qualities, but it is your own inner work that will sustain the bond. This journey begins and ends with you, with the love and alignment you cultivate within your own heart. When you truly understand this, you'll see that the journey itself is the greatest gift, revealing parts of yourself you never knew existed. So, take a moment to reflect on where you are right now. Perhaps you're just beginning to awaken to the possibility of a twin flame connection, or maybe you've been on this path for some time. Wherever you are, know that you're exactly where you're meant to be. Celebrate the progress you've made and the lessons you've learned, no matter how small they may seem. Every step, every breath, every realization brings you closer to the profound love you're destined to experience. As you release resistance and surrender to the flow of the universe, you'll begin to notice subtle shifts. Synchronicities will guide you, doors will open, and your heart will feel lighter. Trust these signs. They are gentle whispers from the universe, reminding you that you are never alone on this journey. The connection you seek is already within you, and as you align with your highest self, it will manifest in ways that exceed your imagination. In the meantime, cherish this sacred unfolding. Treat each moment as a precious part of your evolution. The twin flame journey isn't about rushing to a finish line. It's about embracing the magic of every step, every stumble, and every triumph. Allow yourself to grow, to heal, and to transform. Trust that the universe has your highest good in mind, and that when the time is right, your twin flame will enter your life, not as someone to complete you, but as someone who mirrors the divine completeness you've discovered within yourself. Take a deep breath, anchor yourself in the present, and trust in the infinite wisdom of your soul's journey. The love you seek is not far away. It's as close as your own heartbeat. Embrace the beauty of the process, knowing that your twin flame connection will come when you're ready to receive it fully. Until then, trust in the magic of becoming, for the transformation itself is the greatest love story of all.